Hello everyone, good night. My name is Alessandro Mora and I gotta be explained for my exposition on the authority number 3 in English, I for the section 3rd. I gotta be explained how do you make from the cake vainilla. Okay, I have my computer to explain that images that this. Well, the cake of vainilla has been gonna be created for on the favorite cake with fruit on cream. Now the result is going to explain it by me. Well, displaying for this cake, you have on the 2 cups on any 1 million cups in the sugar and 3 larger eggs and every bean and you salted the butter. 2 bottles on this vanilla. Ingredients has been used better like this for you create on the baking for you wait for the 30 and 35 minutes for you to gold for brown. However, for the bunkers on the Halloween are completely right. But what about for the ingredients for the cake brownie? For the cake brownie is the sugars, the butters, the milk, the vanilla, and everyone's for you gonna be make the cake vanilla. Well, for a filling of 1 cup heavy, a cream on the 2 tablespoons on sugar and fill stuff from the fresh fruits, such as strawberries and blackberries, and on the each and another wash it on the slate. For these pictures, you can see in this camera, 1, 2, it's gonna be zoom right there in this position. This and this. Well, to finish that video because I have a few minutes, the inside layers you're gonna be make on this cake on the creamy filling. The filling on the place at the top on the cream. The cream on the side is decorated with additional whipped cream on the first dessert. Well, everyone, this is over. I can this. Well, good luck for this. Enjoy it. Good night.